Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, August 24th. I have a brand new sneaker pickup. I'm going to hit you with that unboxing, that review, and we're going to be bringing in a special guest for the on foot portion. Hold on to your seats. This special guest is a very, very big deal. A pair of sneakers dropped today that it looks like across the country caused a lot of confusion and it caused a lot of issues. A lot of sneaker stores had to shut down their first come first serve basis. A lot of sneaker stores had to switch to a raffle basis for the sneaker. Most stores originally had this as a first come first serve. Luckily for me, one particular sneaker store in Philly set this out as a raffle from the jump. So I was able to secure a pair and not have to deal with the mass confusion and all of the destruction and chaos that went along with today's release. Before I jump into the sneaker review, I did want to let everybody know there has been a brief, very small, very limited restock of some very coveted Sneaker Thing items. In particular, the Sneaker Thing Super Mario Brothers tee that I'm wearing right now, and some of last year's fall/Halloween releases. So if you've been a fan of the Sneaker Thing line that I've been pumping out for like a year and a half now, go to richieruckus.com right now and see if there's anything that piques your interest. That being said, we're going to jump into the sneaker review. And like I said, very special guest for the on-foot portion. And it's because I got a pair of sneakers not in my size, and it was intentional. I did this deliberately. It is a pair of sneakers that Nay has clamored for over the sneaker silhouette. I myself have a few colorways of the silhouette already. So like I said, it's Nay's size. I went for the base size. I went for Nay's itty bitty tiny foot. And I went and able to grab a pair in her size via an in-store raffle. And without further ado, you know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Yeezy 500 in the bone colorway. The camera is not going to do these justice. As I have my blush colorway on right now, the white on these is ridiculous. Cocaine everything. These are pure white, pure money. When the initial images released, I thought the bottom was going to be a little bit more of a gummish type bottom. I know it was going to be lighter than a traditional gum bottom, but I thought it was going to be a little bit darker. It's like the whole sneaker's white and then the sole's like an eggshell white. It's like a pinkish hue, like almost like what the blush colorway is the bottom. I don't know. It's very confusing, but nonetheless, these are super dope. I am a little miffed, a little upset that I did not grab myself a pair, but I have the blush, I have the sole. Nay has been after a Yeezy 500 since the first images leaked of these. These are a super dope sneaker that, based off Nay's personal style, these will definitely go well with the way she rocks clothes and, you know, her type of fashion sense. Nay is going to kill it in these. I'm excited to bring her in for the on foot. We haven't seen Nay with an on foot since we did the Yeezy Static, the Yeezy 700 V2 Static, when Nay graced her presence, when Nayasia graced her presence back onto the channel and did the on foot, when I opted to go for them in her size opposed to mine. So what I'm getting at, guys, sometimes you gotta be a little selfless. There might be a pair of sneakers you want, but your lady wants them, and you know, if it comes down to where you can only get one pair, sometimes you gotta choose your battles and go with the sneaker for Bae to make her happy. You know, some people don't have limitless funds, and some people don't have the option to just go crazy in the restock market. But Nay has been after a 500 forever. I've touched on this quite a few times, especially like when Yeezy Day, when they did a restock, when Yeezy Supply and Adidas.com. We tried going after the blushes for her, and this is a sneaker that I know she's going to love. She actually doesn't even know that I have them yet. She's not here while I'm filming. She doesn't know that I won the raffle. Everything up until this point is going to be a surprise. I was thinking of getting her surprise reaction on the video, but your boy is, you know, I'm mindful of her privacy. I don't want to just bamboozle her, throw her on here and her not be prepared. And at the same time, I didn't want to do like a fake, oh my god, my girlfriend reacts to a pair of Yeezys. Like, I didn't want it to be scripted. I didn't want it to be planned. So Nay really has no idea she's getting these, and we're going to do the on foot for her. But as far as the review of the sneaker, traditional Yeezy 500, no different than the blush, no different than the salt, no different than the utility black, no different than the supermoon yellow, no different than any other pair we've seen. They are the exact same. You got hints of suede, mesh, the Adidas print bottom, no boost. Boost boys are not in the building. You got that double crown design on the back that I love so much. You got like the nubuck suede, followed up by more of a brush suede. And then you got leather throughout the sneaker. You got them super dope rope laces, suede on the eyelets, pull tab on the tongue. And it's like, what I really like about the Yeezy 500, and maybe I'm crazy, and maybe it's because I'm like so anti-hype, and, you know, kind of live in my own world and live in my own lane and stay in my own lane. I love this sneaker because of the minimal branding. Like, other than the Adidas print right here on the midsole, and then the Adidas logo right here, there's no branding. You have the Yeezy, Ortholite, and Adidas branding on the insole, and then you got like that feet you wear type bottom, but other than that, dude, very little branding. And I think that's what's like really draws me into this silhouette, is that it's got the super crazy, super dope sole. I feel like it's a pair of sneakers that are like just built for any terrain, built for any element. And this sneaker does make me think fall. And, you know, as summer's winding down, I state heavily on this channel that your boy is made for fall. I'm not a big summer guy. I'm big, I'm bearded. You know, the heat and me just don't do well. I really don't really love wearing shorts, kind of more of a pant, hoodie type kind of guy. But these sneakers just make me think of fall weather, and I feel like it's just, you know, it's good. I feel like the Blush 500 came out like right around Mother's Day. So fact checkers, I could be wrong. Don't be flooding my comments with obnoxious fact checks. But I feel like this sneaker kind of tends to hit in the summertime, and then it's made to rock around fall. But I just feel like Nay's going to body these, and I can't wait to get the on foot done. And, you know, I should be expecting her anytime soon. So any minute now she'll be coming in. We'll get into the on foot portion for you guys. This video is probably not going up to Sunday based on some previous personal commitments I have to get to. I'm going to try to get the editing done tonight. I can't promise anything, so you're probably seeing this on Sunday. But with that being said, one last look at the Yeezy 500 Bone. I'm going to wait for Nay to get home, bang at this on foot. I'll be back later this week with some more videos. Very big update. I know I say this constantly, that I'm going to be doing my entire Yeezy collection. We're going to be getting into that. I actually have some new shelving coming in that I'm going to be using as like a backdrop. And I know it's getting crazy congested back here. You guys can't see because I have the camera zoomed in a little bit more than usual, but it's like 4 racks of sneakers to the ceiling. I have sneaker boxes starting to pile up on the floor, so I'm trying to get a little bit more feng shui-ish on my chi, get my feng shui feng, get the room a little bit more set up, a little bit more organized and stuff. Like, I have bins over here of Supreme clothing. My Supreme hats are just like spilling off of a dresser over here. It's just the room is getting congested. So I got a shelf that I'm going to try to put up here. I'm going to start using it as the backdrop to my sneaker reviews. But I'm going to be doing the Yeezy collection video this week is what I'm getting at. I'm probably going to try to film it tomorrow. It's going to take a hell of a long time editing. So I'm going to try to do on foots of everything. You know, so bear with me, but the video is coming this week. But like I said, we're going to bang out this on foot. I'll be back with my Yeezy collection video. But until next time, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.
going to do these. Go out there, bud. Go out there, bud. I'll be right out. Go out there. Go out there. I'll be right out. Go.
Richie Ruckus